what y'all got going, man? It's your boy Jordan back with another video. Little POV drive for y'all, man. You know, sun slight. I ain't really had nothing to record, but I got I've been looking at a lot of wheels lately, and it's just something about the stock rims, like going with the gunmetal that's on the car, on the trim of the car. It just, you know, finding wheels to match that is kind of hard. Unless I like rapid or whatever. And I think it's kind of too early for a wrap. Maybe not. Just the trim pieces, like do a chrome delete or whatever, Alpha Male. Whatever it's called. I think they kind of fast. But yeah, I might do a chrome delete and then just go with some black rims. And yeah, we on my wave's not working. Let me go this way. Yeah. I'm in eco right now. Nothing too crazy. Another fifth in. Let me put this GPS in. It ain't available. I know how to get home counters for them. I'm on my way to the spot, to the spinat. Just dropped off some little thick shit, so I thought I'd get a POV and shit. I thought I'd get a little POV and shit. We gon' glare it with this shit, man. Which way do I go? Bradley Parkway. I go this way. Yeah. Hopefully we can find a race. You feel me? Somebody want this shit, man. It's Easter Sunday. You feel me? Hopefully folks got their cars out and shit. See, anybody want this shit? I can get it. For sure. We ain't ducking no rig. Let me close the circle. We ain't ducking no action. Y'all are pulling eco real quick. We'll get it is third. Shit. Little motherfucker gets up, bubba. Little motherfucker gets up. Make sure I got a good angle for y'all boys, man. Let's hit the highway. Ooh, I had to get over 3 lanes. I didn't know which way I wanted to go. Nobody better not try me. I'm gonna get this whole motherfucking family. And I ain't playing with, man. Somebody try me on that highway. I'm gonna do it today. I ain't gonna lie. Show what the Redsport motherfucker can do. You hear me? But yo, while we cruising, y'all cruising with me and shit, let's talk new cars, man. I wanna add another. Oh shit, what the fuck is this in the road? Oh no. What the fuck? I don't know what the fuck that was. Some debris from a wreck or some shit. Bro, last night on the way home, bro, I seen a wreck, bro. It was a Chrysler 300 in like a truck. It wasn't even that bad, but like it looked like they were both drunk as fuck. And they just couldn't goddamn control their liquor. Whatnot. Make sure 12 ain't behind me. If it's a chase, I'm taking them. They gonna have to do their job, no cap. They gonna have to do their job. They gonna have to do their job, no cap. They gonna have to do their job. We gonna make them do their job. We gonna make them do their job. They don't really be on that like that out here now. When we get towards the crib and shit, boy, they be on straight meat. Straight meat. No cap, them niggas be on straight meat. Like, a nigga can't do shit around that hoe. They on your ass, boy. I'm telling you. I keep asking y'all what y'all want next in the video, though. Like what videos y'all want next, what mods I should do, cause I still ain't really thought of shit. I'm more of a Mopar type of guy, so I really ain't just looked into too many mods on this car, but I like how the car look. I love the attention it brings, how I feel when I drive it, whatnot. So I done grew a love, some type of love for the V6 community and whatnot. So yeah, I ain't gonna lie, they quick, you feel me? They sound good if you put the right exhaust on. You gotta have the right exhaust though. Like, you damn near gotta go get a Corsa motherfucker, them little muffler deletes and shit. That shit be sounding like a trumpet. But other than that, you put some blowout valves on that bitch, intake, a straight little exhaust, well, that motherfucker sound good, I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie to you. We in Eco right now, man. I really ain't gonna get into the Sport Plus unless somebody try me, bro. Somebody gonna have to try me for me to. Cause gas too goddamn high, boy. That shit about what? $4 a gallon? Shit, no. Somebody gonna try to try me for me to put that motherfucker in Sport Plus. You know what I'm saying? I don't give a damn if it's your granny in a minivan. She can get this shit. No cap. I stamp it. We just cruising down the highway, man. Let's see the Honda clapped out. See if he want this shit. Somebody shit smoking. Damn. Somebody shit smoking. That shit on fire down there. Let's see that shit. What the deal? Damn, twin. Damn, twin. That bitch smoking. It's a scat pack too. Ooh. Don't do it, boy. Don't do it, boy. Don't do that to me, boy. Think you just trying to get over, twin? My fault. Your shit done start smoking too, boy. What the fuck? Oh, there go that baby mama killed somebody. Baby mama in that bitch doing 100. Probably bumping sexy red. Doing 100 in that bitch. Boy, I can smell that shit in my cabin, boy. That motherfucker running rich. That motherfucker running rich. And why would you do that? Why? Why? And you fucking handicapped all fucking ready. You need to slow that shit down. Oh shit. What if this fucking lawnmower in the back? What if that bitch just fall off? Y'all really in my thoughts right now while I be driving. You ever drive with no music and it just be you and your thoughts and you kind of forget you driving? These my goddamn thoughts, like, you feel me? Like, but outside of my head type shit. Dead type of shit. I'm looking for somebody to try me though. What's this? Oh, something coming on me fast. Y'all see it? Something coming on me fast. What this is? Oh, it's a Maserati. Hold on, twin. Hold on, twin. Hold on, twin. Ooh, it's a Honda with him. Let's do it. 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 Fuck you talking about, nigga. Fuck you. Ooh, you lucky. I can't even get over somebody. camera died, twin. Cut the air down. Twin, why the fuck my camera died, twin? Soon we get a good race going, my camera fucking died. Well, it didn't die, it overheated, bro. I was finna get on them people's ass, bro. Like, this shit so crazy, bro. Cause it got the part where the Honda had flew past me, but it didn't get to the part where I tried to hawk their ass down. And it was a Maserati and a Honda Civic Type R or some shit like that. Just blew me, bro. I finna hawk their ass down. That shit crazy. So yeah, my camera died, man. It just died again, actually, but we should be good for now. But I'm gonna turn the camera back on if some shit happen. If not, man, y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, bro. Watch this come up, man. This shit finna be real, man. I'm finna be the first. Well, I ain't gonna say I'm gonna be the first one out my city, but I'm gonna be the ones to make it out my city with this shit, man. No cap. We all gas, no brakes with this shit. I'm finna stay consistent, bro. Just to see what this shit do, at least why I got this car. You know what I'm saying? I plan on having this car for a little minute, so we gonna see what it do, you know what I'm saying? See how can it help me. And I'm also thinking about adding another car to the channel as well, so y'all stay tuned for that if I do or if I don't. You know what I'm saying? We still gonna get that fire content, by the way. I got a car meet coming up that I'm gonna go to. Make sure y'all go follow the Instagram, and make sure y'all subscribe, hit that bell, turn on post notifications. That's a nice little Honda. If y'all seen it, but yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out there, bitch.